Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to perform an offset intersection using MicroSurvey's FieldGenius. So what I've done before the video started is I've just created 2 points that I've joined together with this line here. And to begin, what I'm going to do is I'm going to head to my plumb bob in the bottom left corner here, and in my resulting main menu here, I'm going to want to choose my calculations option. And from calculations here, I'm going to choose my aptly named offset intersection option. And to perform my offset here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose point 1. It's my initial point. I'm going to give an angle here. In this case, let's just give it an arbitrary angle of 45 degrees with an offset of 10 meters. And you can see here that I've projected down at 10 meters here with a 45-degree angle. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create an offset from point 2 to create my intersection here. So I'm going to enter point 2, an angle in direction of just another arbitrary angle of 30 degrees. And then I'm going to give an offset of 5 meters. And you can see here that I've now created a little cross on the screen where my 2 lines intersect here. And if I hit the green check mark next to all my information here, I can store this point, give it a description, the usual works. So if I hit store point, you can see point 3 is there. And if I return to the map screen, I now have a third point that I have created from this offset intersection. And that is everything for today's video. That is how you perform an offset intersection using MicroSurvey's FieldGenius. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about any of the equipment or software you've seen on this YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.